It is in Chhattarpur, and you know that these temples were built by the Chandela ruler between 900 to 1130 AD, and they are known as their ornate temples and extensive erotic sculptures. And which are the we have seen temples are Lakshmana, yaad hai na? Lakshmana, Kandariya Mahadev, and Chaurat Yogini. And Chaurat Yogini is a Jain temple. Yes or not? It is famous for Tantricism. Yes, it is famous for. This is Tantricism. And I said that next one. I said that temples of Odisha, where I am talking about temples of Odisha. And in the temples of Odisha, what I said? I said that I have discussed something earlier. No? Which are the Devol? Sikra is considered as a Devol. Devol are Khakra, Pidha, and Rekha. Khakra, Pidha, and then Rekha. And then Sikra called Devol, and these are Khakra Devol, Pidha Devol, and which I said that Rekha Devol. Understood? And then Mandapas are known as Jagmohan. Mandapas are Jagmohan. Understood it? And you'll see that they had a square ground plan. They had actually ground plan which is forming, it is in a square. But suppose I say that I started making stones or something like this. बाद में जब ये स्टोन शिखर ऊपर जाता है, they become like what? Cylindrical. Initially starts with the what? Square plants. Yes or no? But they have become over the period, it is increasing height, it become, they had a square ground plan and cylindrical appearance. Understood? And कभी आप जाओ भुवनेश्वर में, the Bhubaneswar sitting with the Lingaraj temple, and I have gone there and I have seen. I said that the famous Lingaraj temple. I said that they had a square ground plan and cylindrical appearance. Exterior was lavishly carved, while the interior was plain. यदि अंदर बाहर से जाओगे, it looks so much work has been done by carving the stone, but interior सारे पंडित लगे हैं पैसे लूटने में. So, and then interior में there is nothing as such too much lucrative. Everywhere, what is the fighting with the getting inside. So I said that. So I said the exterior was lavishly carved while the interior was plain, and boundary walls are generally present outside of the whole Panchayatana and all. Thereafter there is what is there? Boundary walls. Understood it? And यही boundary walls क्या होता है? That is in the दक्षिण में जाओगे, south में it will be what? There will be this boundary wall से क्या start होगा? Gopuram. What starts? Gopuram. Understood? And north में this kind of style is not existing, but north में there is a stupa has some kind of Torana concept. Gates are there. Understood? So we have seen. And then यहाँ पे देखेंगे Param Surmeshwara temple is the earliest temple of what is it? Odisha. And then I said that हम लोग अब क्या हैं? परासुर से जो जितने भी असुर हैं उससे हम लोगों ने मुक्ति प्राप्त कर ली. We have got the liberty from the what? Param Surmeshwar. जो पहले जो असुर हुआ करते थे, जो they are like an ईश्वर, उससे हम लोगों ने क्या प्राप्त कर लिया? We have got Mukteshwar. So which temple I said that? Param Surmeshwara Mukteshwara temple, and it is in a gem of Odisha architecture. And that is in Bhubaneswar. It is in what? Bhubaneswar. If I talk about, if you'll go in Bhubaneswar, so Bhubaneswar is in Khordha district, and there is in a Puri. And Puri, within the Puri there is in a Konark. Within the Puri itself there is in a Konark. So Bhubaneswar, Puri, Konark. Puri में आप जानते हैं Krishna, Jagannath. And then I said that there is an I said that this is an I said Bhubaneswar. This is in a Konark temple, Sun temple at Konark. Have you heard about Sun temple at Konark? And the Britishers and the foreigners used to say it as a black pagoda. What it says? What is the meaning of pagodas? Yes, what is the meaning of pagoda? Yes, a story. First story, second story, third story, layers of what is one after another. Understood? So I said that, and that is completely, this building is looking like what? Black. So therefore they used to say it is in a black pagoda. Who used to say? Foreigners. To whom it is saying as? Yes, Sun temple. And then there is a Sun temple, and there is a several Puri Jagannath temple. This triangular structure is talking about Odisha as in a what? Second Kashi. As in a what? second Kashi. Who is second Kashi? Tell me. Bhubaneswar, Puri, Konark. Bhubaneswar, this triangle is known as what? Second Kashi, and several temples are there in this region. And I said that, so which are Sun Temple? The grandest achievement of the Odishan style. It was built by the Ganga king Narsimha Dev and is referred as what I said, that Black Pagoda. Understood? And by the early European writers because of its what? Which color? Dark color. So I said that who has given? Ganga king Narsimha Dev. Understood? And आजकल के डेट में गंगा के आसपास कई लोग नरसिंह में लोग जाते हैं, काट के आदमी को पैसा लूट लेते हैं. You know that. So many people are there. And generally if you go in Kashi and all, if you have lots of gold and all, and then you try to stay nearby it, किसी दिन काटा नदी में फेंक भी दिया, who knows, lots of money come in the pocket. And the Panditas, especially this kind of Purohit, not Panditas. So I said that, so which are the famous temple initial level पे हमने देखा? Yes, tell me which are? परम सुरमेश्वरा. Yes, परम सुर से हम लोगों ने जो सुर है, असुर है, उससे हम लोगों ने मुक्तेश्वरा, one of the legendary. And then I talked about, yes, tell me, Konark temple, Sun temple. Understood? And it is considered as a black pagoda. It is considered as a black pagoda. And then we have said, yes, tell me what we have said. Who has made it? Ganga king Narsimha Dev. Understood? Now, I said that completely different. लेके मंदिर को कहीं और भी घूम लो, मतलब ऐसे ही बना हुआ है, साथ में लकड़ी का ही बना के ले लेते हैं, वो ऐसा स्टाइल में नहीं है. It is in a recent. I said that हमने क्या देखा? This is an which I said that Param Surmeshwara temple. Which I said that? दिख रहा? हाँ, परम सुरमेश्वर. अरे पर सुरमेश्वरा. And then I said Mukteshwara temple. It is, I said that कितने बड़े बड़े टेम्पल है नहीं? Mukteshwara temple. And this is really, I said that pagoda. Sorry, I said that pagodas. Understood it? And what is the looking like? It is in a black color, so it is considered in a black pagoda. Understood? And then we can be able to see there is a Khakra Deol, Pidha Deol, and then I said Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha Deol. आपको ये पता क्या याद रखना? Yes, तो रेखा जानते हो ना कौन है? And then I said that above Garbhagriha there is a which Deol? Above Garbhagriha. And along with the mandapa, Pidha Deol, and at the entrance, and then Bhubaneswar temple in India together with Konark and Puri, also known as Golden Triangle and second Kashi. Which are the temples are there? I said that one in the Bhubaneswar you will see Lingaraj temple. Which are the temple? I said that you will see Lingaraj temple, Vithal temple. Then I said Mukteshwar, Siddheshwar, and then Raja Rani, and then I said Brahmeshwar. So which other temple I said that? Yes, Lingaraj. And I have said earlier कि भुवनेश्वर में मैंने कौन सा टेम्पल देखा था? लिंगराज. अंडरस्टूड? और हमने क्या बोला? और जहां पे लिंग राज आ गए वहां पर क्या हो जाता है? यस, बैठा हुआ बंदा भी, भूत से बैठा हुआ बंदा भी मुक्ति प्राप्त कर लेता है. I said that बैठल मुक्तेश्वर बैठल. Yes, किसी के अंदर some ghost has come and that is in a seat inside, sink inside in a body, he will go out of their body. It is known as a battle person, what? Relief from the this kind. So battle Mukteshwar, battle where it is in a Bhubaneswar. Understood? Bhuvan jahan pe. And thereafter I said that, and there is a one very simple Raja, and it is known as which Raja? Sidhe Raja and Rani. And they what? किसके पास जाते हैं? ब्राह्मण के पास जाते हैं. If there is a bhoot is there, and भूत ब्राह्मण बहुत लूटता है. Yes or not? सीधे राजा रानी, where they go? Brahman. So Siddheshwar, Raja Rani, and then I said that which temple? Yes, Brahmeshwar. So which are the temple? Just tell me fast. अरे लिंग राजा बैठल एंड देन मुक्तेश्वर. लिंग राजा, जहां लिंग राज बैठ गए मिस्टर शिवा, लिंग राजा बैठल, देन देयर विल बी मुक्तेश्वर. एंड देयर आफ्टर विच टेम्पल आई सेड दैट? सिद्धेश्वर, राजा रानी एंड ब्रह्मेश्वर. ब्राह्मण के पास क्या? एंड देन अर्लियर वी हैव सीन अदर, आई सेड दैट विच वन? पर सुरमेश्वर. यस, याद है ना? पर सुरमेश्वर सन टेम्पल कोणार्क वी हैव सीन. Mukteswar we have seen. Then Mukteswar temple is considered what? One of the legend. What is the gems of architecture of Odisha style. And then यहाँ पे मैंने क्या बोला था? In Jain, yes. इतनी मंदिर क्यों है? सेकंड काशी में, हमारे यहाँ काशी में. हाँ हाँ. That is, you know that कभी भी it depends upon the social structure. मंदिर कभी भी किसी पे कहीं पे भी religious structure, it is a kind of social structure. Temples depicts what? Society. And which kind of society? More of religious and what kind of it? तो जहाँ पे भी religious based thought ज़्यादा होगा, that there will be always. हमारे, अब उतना मैं entry नहीं लूँगा. I said that जहाँ पे भी religion जहाँ पे आएगा, the people will talk about and gods की कमी नहीं रहती है हमारे यहाँ. So many gods. So religion is trying to talk about. This is one of the social structure, religious based structure. Therefore I said that. और हम लोग बहुत सारा हमारा क्या है, mythologically story है to what is the telling about. But history never says that. But knowledge says that. Application says that. The religious based aspect will be prevailing. And generally you know that हमारे यहाँ काशी को लेकर several story has been formed. And then society over there it is down. जो आपने देखा खरवेला king and all. And thereafter, and बहुत सारे temples has been grown during the period of 900 AD and all. Yes, and then generally you try to make your religion to be smarter than the other religion. Then this is also one of the aspect that you try to make when you are there. You try to make several kind of what temples of what is a Hindu based, otherwise Jain based. Somewhere you try to show the structure and then making the people to what is believe on it. And every kings comes, they try to make, हमारे यहाँ गवर्नमेंट आती है, they try to make this plan and then सारे वही सब इधर उधर के रहते हैं. The God is also one, but हम लोग I said that Chaurat, sorry, we have seen Chaurat Yogini temple. Where it is we have seen? That is in Khajuraho. We have seen in the Khajuraho. It is a Jain temple. We have seen Lakshman, Kandariya Mahadev and Chaurat Yogini. और ये कौन सा है? Yes, tell me. 64 Yogini temple. And that is in the, I said that Balangir district. और एक आपको क्या है? Dhenkanal district has also what? 64 Yogini नहीं. So 64 Yogini and 64 Jogini temple. Understood? कितना दिमाग में रखेंगे उड़ीसा में. It is there in the Odisha. Understood? 64 Yogini and 64 Jogini. And if you go nearby Dhenkanal itself and all, so I said that you will get in a what? The Vishnu is sleeping in what kind, where he is not trying to what is in a get up. And then it is completely made on the rock, and in front of it this is what? Temple. So it is an Anant Sayan mein. Sayan